Hello, my name is Irina. I am face massage teacher and teacher in service and sales for spa and beauty, and I work in Edena Aesthetic now in Dubai Clinic, so development of wellness department. And for me, it's very important to learn something new, something unique technique that I can bring to my wellness practice, to bring it to my students. And today I am so happy that I learned the Ayurveda traditional massage in the BISA Academy. So we learned the head, shoulders, face with Ayurveda implement practice. We learn about essential oil, chakras, doshas, how we implement this to the facials, and I am full of emotion and experience, and I am ready to share it with my practice, with my students, create new treatment again. So launching the spa with more knowledge. So thank you so much, BISA Bali Academy. I'm so happy that I come, and yeah, thank you so much.